Light sing ke eng le ba ga le ntsi mme ke a shoota ga yo. Is it?
Yeah.
Well, so okay.
Kanya ke bonala nna.
Oh, ra re ntsi tshotse. Hi. Ha se re go tswa le mo.
Okay. Where's the remote?
It's a show. Wait, what? Okay. Hi guys. That's home. Okay. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. If you're new, if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back to another video. So I'm sure you can already tell that I'm not home. I'm actually at my friend's house. I'm visiting Melinda for the weekend. She's currently watching Gomara. So I'm visiting my friend for the weekend. Today is a Friday. I don't know the date.
25.
Today is Friday the 25th of March. So I just got here. This is Kitapile, not Tapile, who are the girls. But we're gonna make tacos. How about having tacos for dinner? Guys, I've never had tacos. Melinda was laughing at me. I've never had tacos. So I'm really excited. We're gonna make them ourselves from scratch. So I hope I will like it, because if not, so yeah, I just thought let me shoot this intro before this video gets messy, because once I don't shoot an intro, so I actually gonna unbox something cute that she bought. I'm so excited. Anyway, so yeah, I'll take you guys through that.
I guess you're back. Are you gonna tell me where you went? All the messages I sent with no reply. It's like that. You're just gonna walk into my room. I hate how you assume I'll take the pleasure and the pain. The sorrows in your brain.
Guys, we managed. Tacos. I'm gonna take my first bite. Which one should I taste first? I think let's try this one. Looks nicer. Cheers. Cheers. Cheers.
Oh, sorry.
Tacos.
Cheers.
Yummy. So she just bite. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, how is it done?
That's nice.
It's fresh.
Lady, who be that drippings? Hold more tacos. A little drippings a thing.
Then imagine Helen. Maybe I don't know where you can get like
The best
like
tacos.
taco seasoning and stuff. Imagine we're talking about taco seasoning. You know, the right
It's nice.
thing. It's not bad.
I think even the crunchiness.
It's a good snack. Even your avocado.
No package of
Oh, you know what I forgot? Lemon.
For what?
The sprinkle of lemon.
Oh, what? Happy.
That I said, I gotta go. We fried the rotaba thing. That's
Yeah.
That zinga acidity.
So how you lemon?
Ma,
How you?
I think I should bring. Should I bring you on lemon? Can I bring lemon juice?
I'm gonna try one with the lemon.
It didn't burn it. Yeah. Go cut it on the mahurag.
The same way I prefer fish with lemon.
Yeah. You
I
can
think
get it.
tacos lona with lemon. Yes.
Yes. What did you say? Mahurag
Yeah.
means me, you know.
And I think the overall taste, I uplift. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
So yeah. Now.
How about the move?
We are how many minutes late?
Soft jar. Okay.
So I come to you. I want you to teach me.
And the Lord be with me.
I need you to kill the fear that lives inside of me every day. You
I
want to
chose Kim Valentine, so I think I should choose something more.
Because it's on what will pick ahead.
Okay.
Yes.
Listen, kid. I earned $70 million by the time I was 19.
Okay, TikTok.
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Stop it. Put a new twist on an old twist.
Increase those savings.
Akanya. Sorry, Sala. Hi vlog. So this morning we want to do our hairs. She likes her hair. I did some lines, something really simple. So yeah, we just got ready. We're about to step out. We are going to Mokolodi Bush Lodge, Bush Kitchen. I want to say Bush Lodge, Bush Kitchen.
And we're late.
Okay, we're late because I delayed. So let me go. We'll see you guys there.
Bye.
We do strangers that is supportive. So we just finished at Mokolodi. We're still in the parking lot. We had fun, eh?
We did.
Yes, the food is amazing.
Yeah. And the ambience.
Yeah, the ambience and everything is nice.
Yeah.
Obviously, it's a Saturday afternoon, evening-ish. So I think, yeah, month end. So a lot of people have money now. So yeah, but the service is not as bad as I expected, ne?
Yeah. You got our food like what, after 45 minutes?
Yeah, our food arrived after 45 minutes, but the reviews they get the morning. But we are an hour 30 minutes and stuff like that. Our drinks came maybe after 5 minutes.
Yeah, 5 to 10.
And then 5 to 10 minutes, and then the food took literally 45 because it's shaky now. So we were sure that our food took 45 minutes to arrive. We ordered pizza and some wings. It was just 4 wings and some fries, which was like 100, but the wings taste amazing. And then the pizza was 140. I think people like accept the whole pizza these days because it's the same price. Go the Studio Cafe. So maybe that's just the new pricing.
Yeah.
Nice and magats, but I guess I'll get used to it. That pizza is amazing. No order pizza video manzal.
Oh fuck. I mean, wait.
Yeah, she took the menu, but we can take the menu if you want to. Yeah. Nerodele pizza bido mokwapa pizza. So it has like it's the one that has the most meat, and it tastes amazing. It tastes like really nice. I'd come back here. I'm definitely gonna come back here. So rodele carrot cake, just one slice. It's small though. Like
yeah.
I took a video, you guys, I think you guys saw. But we're gonna taste it local because hona na sentse re khose tota mpa ditetse go mathata hela. Skip a ribe le ska na sa phatoga bona. So we're going. Melinda will make popcorn later. We'll probably look for a movie to watch. And then make popcorn and stuff. So yeah. Hurry. So, we ordered the carrot cake again. So we're now ready to taste it. The time I said that the Studio Cafe has the best carrot cake I've ever had in my life, I got some comments for the have I tasted this one from Mogolodi? I'm like, no. So obviously I did say the size was quite small, but I'm gonna taste it now.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me take this much and take the icing as well. Okay. Okay. Cheers.
I cannot try doing
Banyana.
So I don't know, but which one? Divine. I could come on at them. Happy cream, I think I happy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's nice. It's nice. But I still stand with the Studio Cafe.
Is it?
Yeah. I think this would be number 2.
Yeah, blue tree. Yeah,
Never
blue
had.
tree. Yeah, blue tree. I'm gonna take it again.
Hi, Keys. But Kisur Baganga, she doesn't like the carrot cake from Kushi at all.
Okay. Can I get red velvet? I know blue tree is good for a certain.
That cake. Is that?
That's nice.
Yeah, it's nice. Matanyana.
God, let me say and sweet truth. I really wish I was having this alone.
Me too, Tala. Yeah, it's really nice. Happy Sunday. We are looking all put together because we are going to church. Obviously, like I said, today is a Sunday, so my friend is almost done, literally. I'm ready. I'm just wearing a pink blazer because it's a little bit gloomy today. And then I'm wearing this bodysuit from The Fix. And then I'm wearing a black skirt, and then I'm gonna wear my new shoes over there. I'll show you guys. I'm gonna stand by the mirror. So I just thought, let me say hi. I think after church, my friend needs to get a couple of stuff, so we're gonna go to Airport Junction. So yeah, before we go to church, we're going to pick up my cousin at home because Sunday is for church. So yeah, let's go.
I pray that you will tarry in the place where God has called you. I pray that you will not give up. I pray that you will not lose your prayer until the day that you see your breakthrough. I pray that you'll find yourself in the house of the Lord Sunday after Sunday, because some people don't know why you're here, but you know. Stop stopping your worship. Even in your lowest day, even a day when you feel like I don't feel like worshiping, you lift your hands and you worship and say, Lord, I've come to worship you. Even when she was cast at his feet, she humbled herself and said, Lord Jesus, even the dogs eat the crumbs that falls from the table. Even the day when you feel like this is the last thing I want to do. This might be that Sunday that God comes and answers you in a time like this, and you walk out here and say, you might not understand this, but for the last 3 years I came in every Sunday trusting God for something.
Guys, Melinda's refusing to say bye to you guys. But this is me signing out. I'm leaving. Imagine. The weekend passed by so quickly. But I had fun. We relaxed, we bonded, we talked, ended everything. I hope we'll do this soon. Oh, there she is. I hope we do this soon. So yeah. We are heading home now. So bye. Hi guys. Today is a Tuesday. We're continuing with the vlog. My friend, my cousin and I are gonna go to Sanitas Tea Garden or Sanitas Garden. I guess Sanitas something. So it was my cousin's birthday on the 22nd of March last week. So my friend said, you know what, I'm not gonna be at work on Tuesday next week, so I'm just gonna take her for breakfast. And obviously I'm the engine of the car, baby. I don't stay, okay? So yeah, we are going there. It's still morning. I think it's around past 10. So we are going to be off like right now. I don't like my hair because it looks bumpy. Anyway, don't mind me. I did my face as usual. I'm this girl these days. Every time I have to go out, I'm gonna do my makeup, okay? Until I'm a pro. Oh, I'm gonna continue doing it anyway. What do I mean? Anyway, so yeah, I hope the breakfast is here like about 12, because I really feel like having breakfast and not lunch or one. So yeah, I'm gonna go back to listening music. I just thought, let me say hi for today before we get on with the day. Okay, bye. Jesse. Hey guys, so we decided to try at the Creole Cafe. Basically, so we didn't even go there. I decided no, actually U-turn. We're going to the Creole Cafe. It looks so pretty from outside. We're gonna go in, so let's go. Say hi. Yes, girl. Wow.
Hi guys.
Cool girl vibes. It's me again.
Yes. I come back.
Hi guys, so this is how baby girls eat when they're in public.
Can you listen to the work on the Will Smith issue? This is my This is my tweet. How am I gonna get?
No. Ciao.
Why did you come on?
Mocha.
No, I like it. It's nice. Me too. It's really nice.
Thank you. Oh my gosh. So pretty.
So it's nice. Nice.
Hi vlog. Today is Wednesday. I was literally editing this vlog and then I realized I actually don't have an intro. I was supposed to film it yesterday because we were practically done with the vlog. The kids are making noise outside. Please forgive that. So yeah, yesterday we went to the Creole Cafe. It was very nice, guys. Their food is amazing. Their food is fresh. I tasted, my cousin ordered the beef burger. I think it's the breakfast burger. It was very nice. It has like an egg, avo inside. Excuse me, the beef patty. That's what she got with some fries. The fries are divine. Like when we saw her fries, they look so crunchy. We tasted, and Adrizi and I were like, let's just order a plate. We'll share it because we're having the breakfast. It's already a lot. So that's what he did. We had an amazing time. Literally the ambience, the music they're playing, the service, the food, everything is on point. Literally I give them 10 out of 10, and I don't think their prices are that bad, to be quite honest. And I had a mocha for the very first time. I think that's how you pronounce it. I've been meaning to have it, but every time I try and have it, it's either they don't have like other ingredients in the restaurants and stuff. So I literally believe I found my favorite like hot beverage, the mocha. I'm gonna be ordering it everywhere I go, legit. Why are my lips looking like this? Anyway, so yeah, after the Creole Cafe, the birthday girl also had fun. She had a lemon and blueberry something mini cake. Very nice. We tasted beautiful, chef's kiss. It was amazing, legit. So yeah, I think that prices really are fair, to be very honest. Yeah, I think that's it. I would go back there. I'm actually planning on going back there sometime. So yeah, I thought let me just update you guys before I close off the vlog, obviously. What else happened? Oh yeah, we passed by Woolies. Adrizi wanted to get Mamzi some flowers and some wine. We went to her house. We got back home very late. That's why I didn't shoot the outro yesterday, or I didn't even vlog there because there was nothing happening, to be very honest. So yeah, today is the Wednesday. Like I said, I haven't been doing anything but editing this vlog. I think I'm about to be done, so this vlog should be up tomorrow. I'm gonna upload it overnight. I am gonna go to home cell though, so when I come back I will wrap it up and then upload it overnight. I'm proud of myself. Ciao. I'm so proud of myself. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching this vlog. I really do hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. The month of March has been amazing. Well, mostly because it was my, like, the people around me's birthdays. So I think we got to explore a lot, go out more, eat good food, you know, also visiting my friend. It was a refreshing month, to be very honest. So I really hope April, May, June, July, August, and the rest of the year will be the same or better. So yeah, bye guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys next week. Bye.